You're watching Minty Maths, and in this video we are going to explain what bearings are and how to calculate them. Subscribe to our channel for weekly maths videos. So what is a bearing? A bearing is a measure of direction from one point to another, and we write this using the angles between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. All bearings must be measured starting from north and turning clockwise. Why do we need to know how to measure bearings? Well, bearings are often used for navigation. For example, a ship would need to know which direction to travel to get to their destination. You may even get lost in the woods with only a compass, a map and a protractor to help you. Here is an example question. If we want to find the bearing of point B from point A, we first need to figure out which point is the starting point. A word to look out for in the question is from. This tells us the starting point is point A. So now we need to draw a line going north from the starting point, as we always measure the bearing from north. Next, we draw a line between the 2 points and then make a clockwise turn from north until we reach that line. This is the angle we will be measuring, with north starting at 0 degrees. For many bearings questions, you will be using a protractor, so place your protractor like this, with 0 degrees on the line facing north. We always write bearings with 3 figures, even if the angle is usually only 2 figures. What if we don't have a protractor? Let's look at a different type of question which also uses geometry rules. We are already given the bearing of the boat from the island, but what if we need to find the reverse, the island from the boat? Let's draw our north line from the starting point of the boat. Have you noticed the 2 parallel lines this forms? Here you can apply your knowledge of geometry rules. If you need a reminder of angles in parallel lines, see our video linked above. So we know that this angle is 258 degrees, and we know that within parallel lines, alternate angles are equal. Therefore, we can calculate the bearing of the island from the boat using this fact, by taking away 180 degrees from the 258 degree angle. See if you can spot any other angle rules here to help you find the bearing. What about if we need to find the exact location of an object when we are already given 2 bearings to that point? Well, we simply draw out the bearings from each point and continue each line until they cross. Have a look at this example. We are already given the bearings from each person to the cafe. Firstly, remember to draw a line towards north from the starting point, in this case the person. Then, using a protractor, we can measure the angle provided and draw out a line at this angle. Be sure to extend the line quite far. Repeat this for the second person. The cafe will be at the point where the 2 lines cross. Have a go at this practice question and pause the video while you figure it out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more Minity Maths videos.